So good afternoon, you join us today. We're going to a meet that's hosted by, I keep wanting to say Fylde modified, but it's not that. It apparently it's Fylde or Fylde or Fylde modified. Anyway, it's a charity meet, so that's going to be pretty cool. We've been on the road for a little while. I've just done an ST broke down. So yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Well, we're finally here. Oh my god, I've just hit my head. It's windy and I do need a haircut, but there we go. This one stole the show the second I walked in, to be honest. It's actually pretty crazy. I'm going to see if the guy will do me a bit of an interview for it. There's a little bit happening. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but you know, what can you do? Worth it. But there is another meet later on tonight, but that'll be another video. So yeah, so we'll get around and see some of the cars, and I'll see if I can get this guy to give me a bit of an interview. So, alright, stay tuned. I keep calling it Fylde modified.
Everybody
and I call it Fylde modified, or Fylde, or Fylde, or Fylde. So once and for all, what's it called?
Fylde
modified, right? So it's Fylde modified. It is Fylde modified. The girlfriend was right. She kept
Your girlfriend wins, obviously.
Right. So we got down here, and I believe it is a charity event, and that was the whole point, like coming and like donate some money and stuff. So, what's it for? Why are we doing it?
We're doing it in aid of Help for Heroes. The reason we did that is because one of our moderators for the group is ex-military, and he had a lot to do with Help for Heroes when he came out, didn't he? Yeah. So that's why we chose the charity that we did.
Right, cool. Would you say it was a good turnout today?
Yeah, 100 plus cars.
I mean, I got here way too late. It's really annoying, like really too late. So.
The thing is, the weather's stayed on our side, which was a good thing. It's going to get bad in the next couple of hours, but.
All right, cool.
With it being the first event in this location, it was a decent turnout.
So, yeah, it did predict rain by about 2-3 o'clock, so people have got, right, we're off then.
Right. And is this the first event that you've done that's paid? For charity?
This is the first charity event that Fylde have set up, because we're still in a young club. Yeah. So obviously we wanted to do a charity event support.
Right, okay, cool. And how many, when would the next one be, and where are you looking to go like next?
We're looking to do it annually, so
for a different charity. We want to do sort of a different charity event every year, and hopefully like bigger and better every year.
Every year.
All right, brilliant.
Introduce more.
Where can people find you? Well, what socials have you got?
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Fylde modified.
All of them.
Yeah, we're all Fylde modified.
Fylde.modified1 on Instagram. TikTok, the same, Fylde modified.
All right, superb, right, and they'll all be linked down below in the normal place. And thanks for taking a minute.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. All right, cheers.
Nice one.
Alright, so this is a bit of a surprise meet really. I was going to use this one as a second meet, well, the second video, sorry. But because the first meet didn't have too many cars left by the time I got there, instead I decided I'd just use this one as well for the same video. In between we went and got some food, came here at like 6 o'clock, don't know what time it is now. But yeah, sorry about my hair by the way, it's a mess, but it's wet and windy, but there we go. So yeah, so we'll get around and see what's what. And Martin's here as well, just been to the car. Say hello, Martin.
Hello.
There's Martin. And some other people look, say hello.
Who's Guy?
Hello. And she's trying to hide, look, she's trying to hide, look. Say that again. Guess what you're on now? I guess.